everyone, JaLingo's expression of the week is big man ting. This term translates to in all honesty. As the term says, a big man ting, which means what is being referred to is about adult business. Other meanings used when being serious about a situation, a swear down, as well as referring to something that is not a childish act. You may hear this term being used by locals in a situation such as this. Kevin, big man ting. From what day your girl a pre me no. Watch her man, cause it look away, you see me? What this means is, Kevin, in all honesty, your girl has been looking at me of late. You need to watch her because it seems strange. You get me? Another example, a big man ting dog, we never take up the money. This translates to, honestly, I did not take your money. Related words, grown-up business. Remember to download the exclusive JaLingo app from the iOS App Store if you want to see more words, proverbs, or expressions. Also, click on the download links in the description box below. Thanks again for watching and have a great day.